Dear banker friends, I am going to share actual memory based questions those were asked in CIB exam. In order to offer you maximum benefit, I have segregated all questions chapter wise. So without wasting your precious time, let's begin with module A, retail banking. Chapter number 1, retail banking introduction. First question. Dash refers to provision banking products and services offered to individual customers, typically for non-entrepreneurial purposes. Answer is retail banking. Next question. The delivery model of retail banking is dash, that is services and extended through branches and also through technology driven electronic off-site delivery channels like ATM, internet banking and mobile banking. Answer is physical and virtual. Next question. Retail banking facilities are targeted at dash. Answer is individual customers. Next question. Unlike wholesale banking, retail banking focuses strictly on dash. Answer is consumer markets. Next question. The dash is the stage in which the bank offers customized products and services targeted at a niche customer segment, the high net worth individuals. Answer is class retail banking. Next question. Retail banking involves offering of products on which side of balance sheet? Answer is asset side and liability side. Explanation. Any loan like personal, housing, auto and education is asset to the bank, whereas any deposit like fixed or recurring deposit, current and saving account is liability to bank. Next question. The dash is the stage in which the bank provides standardized banking products and services to its customers. In this phase, the banks attempt to build a sufficiently broad customer base which can serve as a stable source of funding. Answer is mass retail banking. Next question. Which of the following is correct with respect to retail banking? So we have answers. Retail banking facilities are targeted at individual customers. Retail banking is focused towards mass market segment covering a large population of individuals. Retail banking offer different liability, asset and a plethora of services products to the individual customers. Retail banking extended to small and medium sized businesses. Next question. Which of the following are the advantages of retail banking? Our answers are client base is large and therefore risk is spread across the customer base. Customer loyalty is strong and customers tend not to change from one bank to another very often. There is less volatility in demand and credit cycle than from large corporate. Large numbers of clients can facilitate marketing, mass selling, and the ability to categorize, select clients using scoring systems or data mining. Next question. Which of the following are the constraints faced in retail banking? Our answers are problems in managing large numbers of clients, especially of the available IT systems, are not sufficiently robust. Rapid evolution of products can lead to IT complications. Higher delinquencies, especially in unsecured retail loans and credit card receivables. Next question. Any loss in faith in a particular bank can lead to sudden outflow of retail deposits, resulting in collapse of the bank. This is called bank run. Next question. Banks are encouraging clients to use cheaper distribution channels such as ATMs, the mobile, or the internet banking because our answers are the cost of maintaining branch networks is relatively high. The cost of handling large numbers of low value transactions is relatively high. Which next question. Which of the following reasons resulted in big spurt in retail banking? Our answers are strong economic fundamentals, growing urban population, higher disposable incomes, emergency of new customer segments, and rise in the mass affluent space. Our explanation is strong economic fundamentals, growing urban population, higher disposable incomes, rise in young population, emergency of new customer segments, and rise in the mass affluent space, explosion of service economy, in addition to manufacturing space, have catapulted the scope for retail banking branches in India. Next question. Prerequisite for success of retail banking are. Answers are presence of an efficient delivery mechanism, product appropriateness, scoring models for assessing the creditworthiness, consumer protection environment. Next question. How can the bank estimate product appropriateness? Answer is by investing heavily into data analytics and assessing what are the appropriate products and services for the specific groups of their customers. Next question. Dash is a statistical technique that combines several financial characteristics to predict the behavior of new applicants based on the performance of existing borrowers. Answer is credit scoring model. Next question. What are the different challenges experienced by banks in retail banking? Our answers are inadequacy of management information system, managing risk, effects of disruptive new technologies, continuing growth. Next question. For the retail banking model to be successful, banks' pricing should be, our answers are non-discriminatory, risk-based, competitive. Next question. Reasons for the growth of the retail banking segment. Answers are risk of the young Indian professionals, automation of banking process, increasing purchasing power of middle class people. Our last question. The retail banking sector is often described as a typical dash offering services such as savings and operative accounts and all kinds of personal loans including auto loans and student loans. Answer is mass market banking. Friends, if you wish to get more actual memory based questions with answers, please write in comment section. I request you to like and share my video to banking fraternity who are aspire to pass CIB exam. Also, please do subscribe my channel to get notification of my latest videos. Thank you very much.